Hi again, welcome back. This is the third episode about the passive voice, okay? Now we have seen the steps to follow to make the passive, okay? And we have also seen the verb to be and all the variations of verb to be in all tenses, okay? In the second episode. Here, now, in this episode, we are going to talk about the modal verbs. Okay, so these are modal verbs, okay, or we call them modals, okay, modal verbs or modals. All right, must, should, could, can. We can also include, for example, may, okay, or might, okay, or shall, for example, okay, will, okay, have to. So all these are modal verbs. So when we have a modal verb, it is always plus. Okay, modal verb plus be and plus. Okay, the past participle. Okay, past participle of the verb. Participle of the verb. Okay, so be like this. Okay. All right, so take a very simple example. For instance, we can take okay, student, okay, students must do homework. Okay, students must do homework. Now here again, we follow the same, okay, steps, okay. Student is the subject, okay. Must is the modal verb, okay, so this is must, it is a modal verb that we are talking about here. And then we have the verb, which is do, okay, the verb. And homework is the object, okay? Student must do what? Okay, students must do homework, okay? Now here, if we want to make the passive of this sentence, okay, so again, we bring the object to the beginning, so the object here, okay, so homework. Now the rule that I said, okay, so modal verb plus be plus past participle, okay? So homework, modal verb, must, okay, must plus be, okay, must be, okay, the past participle of the verb do is what? Is done, okay, must be done, okay, so done is the past participle of the verb do, okay. Now this is how we make the passive of of an active sentence with a modal verb, okay, of a modal verb. We can take another example, for instance. This is number one. Take number two, for instance. Okay, we can take, for example, okay, he, okay, should eat vegetables. Okay, he should eat vegetables. So here again, the same rule or the same steps that we follow. So here we have subject, okay, and eat is the verb. Should is the modal verb, okay, is the modal verb, and the vegetables is the object. He should eat what? He should eat vegetables. So vegetables is the object. Now here, if we want to make the passive of this sentence, okay, so again, we bring the object to the beginning, so we start with the object, okay, so the object is vegetables, okay, vegetables, model, okay, so now we add the model, should, okay, should, the, then be, okay, model, be, okay, so should, be, and the past participle. So the past participle of the verb eat, okay, it is eaten, right? So eaten is the past participle of the verb eat, okay, so this is the way how we make the passive with a modal verb, okay, with a modal verb. All right, so this is all for today's episode. It's very easy, just remember modal verb plus be plus the past participle as we have just seen here. And don't forget these 3 steps, okay? Very essential steps. All right, so this is all for today's episode. It is the third episode about passive voice. Goodbye and take good care.